Slim fit wall mount lets you install your TV close to the wall, leaving you with a thin profile and neat look. Package dimensions: 38.1 h by 5.41 l by 30.911 w centimeters. Package weight: 1.76 kilograms. Country of origin: Vietnam. Top reviews from the United States. I purchased a Samsung QN800A 75-inch, 8K for Christmas from Samsung. At the time, Samsung offered free mount service with purchase of the TV. I originally was not going to mount my TV. Then decided to make it a feature. Amazon was the only one that would get the mount to me in time for my free installation. My family is hating me right now. I had the handyman mount my TV on the wall of my master bedroom. The mount is strong and holds the TV close to the wall. Installment was easy for them with beautiful end results. The price of the mount was excellent, especially after receiving free installation. I only wish I had purchased the 85-inch TV. I might start charging for movie nights, definitely the Super Bowl.